Use denature alcohol and a brush to clean the SD port and also the terminals on the battery inside the GoPro camera. I think what might be going on is because it's in a waterproof enclosure that it could be causing some issues with moisture being held in, possibly. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I did clean them, and then afterwards it did seem like it did help. The video that you'll see is before cleaning it and then after. It was very difficult to try to film this and clean it. I had to actually set the camera down to actually take the brush and push it deep inside the port to actually clean inside of it. After cleaning both GoPros, it seems like it worked. It hasn't locked up yet. This might be worth a shot.